The benefits of laughter. Welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to explore a topic that is guaranteed to put a smile on your face. The benefits of laughter. We all know that laughter makes us feel good, but did you know it also has numerous positive effects on our mental, emotional, and physical well-being? Stick around as we dive into the science behind laughter and uncover its incredible benefits. Let's get started. Laughter is often referred to as the best medicine, and for good reason. It has been proven to reduce stress levels, boost mood, and improve overall mental health. When we laugh, our brain releases endorphins, commonly known as the feel-good hormones. These endorphins not only make us happier but also help alleviate feelings of anxiety and depression. Laughing with others creates a sense of connection and strengthens social bonds. It's contagious. When we see someone laughing, our brains respond by releasing mirror neurons, which prompt us to join in on the laughter. This social aspect of laughter fosters better relationships and enhances our social interactions. Comedy shows, funny movies, and stand-up performances have long been popular forms of entertainment. But did you know that laughter can actually improve our cognitive functions? Studies have shown that humor and laughter stimulate the brain's reward system, leading to increased focus, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. So, the next time you're stuck on a difficult task, take a break and have a good laugh. It might just help you find that light bulb moment. Beyond the mental and emotional benefits, laughter also has a positive impact on our physical health. It strengthens our immune system by increasing the production of antibodies and activating immune cells, making us more resistant to illness. Additionally, laughter has been linked to pain reduction, as it triggers the release of natural painkillers in our bodies. It's incredible to think that something as simple as laughter can have such profound effects on our well-being. In recent years, laughter therapy and laughter yoga have gained popularity as alternative approaches to promoting wellness. These practices involve intentional laughter exercises, which not only provide physical benefits but also improve mental and emotional health. They can be particularly helpful for individuals dealing with stress, anxiety, or chronic pain. So, don't be afraid to laugh out loud or even participate in a laughter yoga class. Your body and mind will thank you. Laughter truly is a powerful tool that can transform our lives in many ways. From reducing stress and fostering connections to improving cognitive abilities and boosting our immune system, the benefits of laughter are undeniable. So, let's make it a priority to find joy and laughter in our everyday lives. Remember, a good laugh is not only infectious but also beneficial for your well-being. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more uplifting content. Until next time, keep laughing.